Hey everyone, it's your boy Yadis back. Welcome back to my channel. Now, besides DJ Pro AI, here is another phone app, mostly iOS phone with stems features. Which can separate vocals, drums and instrumental. Before we proceed, if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit a notification bell for more tutorial content. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download edjing mix with all premium features unlocked for free. The app I'm talking about, which can separate vocals from instrumental. Now, first open up your browser and type edjing mix mod apk. Choose the first option. Hit download. When they bring the on-screen alert, just tap download anyway and proceed to install the app. Thank you for being part of my viewers. Until next time, bye.